What is the working principle of a purifier? The working principle of a centrifugal purifier is based on the separation of two immiscible liquids and solids of different densities using centrifugal force. When dirty oil is fed into a high-speed rotating ball, the centrifugal force, which is much stronger than gravity, throws the heavier components, water and sludge, to the outer periphery of the ball, while the lighter component, clean oil, remains closer to the center. Inside the ball, a stack of conical discs is used to increase the effective settling area and reduce the travel distance for particles, which enhances the separation efficiency. To prevent oil from escaping through the water outlet, a liquid seal is established using fresh water before oil is introduced. The boundary between the oil and water, known as the interface, is maintained in the correct position by selecting the proper gravity disc based on the oil's specific gravity, temperature, and viscosity.